Well, back down on the RB this morning, nice sunny day, just to do some pre-winterization checks really. I just bumped the antifreeze strength up by 50%, so it's quite a strong mix in there at the moment. Just run the engine up now and circulated the new antifreeze through. Just basic sort of oiling. I got a couple of jobs to do. I haven't got time to do it today. It was just the brakes up. But she got a nice addition to the machine is a vice. They used to have bigger vices than this fitted to them. But I thought it was a nice touch. Picked one up, really old vice, very cheap. So just bolted that one into its original holes. So it's handy to have a vice on the job also if you do a hand cranking job on this to start it. Just to have your foot against that to stop you falling off the end. But I'm going to crank and handle anyway, so just a basic walk around today. Just lube everything up. Probably come down here again before Christmas. But at the moment I got a few other jobs to do, so this at the moment it's just lubing up the bits I need doing. There's no panic anyway, she's not hasn't moved for quite a while. It would be nice to put her on a job one day, but that'll happen one day. So yeah, check the engine oil. The coolant, as they say, has been sort part drained off and strengthened. So we can just tested it now. It'll take it up to sort of something like -10, -11. So it's got everything here. It's got the EP90 for the box, the gearbox there. Got plenty of grease cartridges, plenty of grease gun, wire, lube, which I'll just give it a spray, empty this can on with it now, just to give all the hinges and bits and pieces a bit of a oil up. But yeah, I think it looks alright. Nice touch to it, I think. Got it off eBay for 99 pence, believe it or not. Cost more to send it to me and I paid for it. So I stripped that down, completely serviced it, put a new slip pin in, cleaned up the spring, cleaned up the screw, lubricated it, and it was just a nice touch. Painted in RB green. So that's all I'll be doing today anyways. Everything else is all okay there. But it'll be getting a bit of a tart up in the spring, summer months, but this time of year you can't do a lot anyway. So and to finish off sort of lubricating all the bits and pieces. Under there, I suspect that rod there is going to be adjusted to I think you lengthen the rod to it adjusts the brakes up, if I remember right. So that's going to be done. It's a very tidy machine, so there's no panic anyway. So there's a couple of jobs I want to do today, a couple of jobs to do at home today, so it's a nice day today. I think it's a only decent day of the week this is going to be, so there's not a cloud in the sky. Nice 10-11 degrees, very comfortable. Yeah, you can see the she's a big old bucket. So I think that's it for today. I've oiled everything up. Then the travel chains. When you look at it, she's quite a wide machine, really, quite a wide. And she can dig it to a depth of, I've been told, 18 to 19 feet depth. So These were the high-tech machines of their day, replaced by the JCBs and the hydraulic excavators. But this is all they had in the 1940s and 50s. It's a picture of one of these in war-bombed London, being used